In this video today, I'm going to teach you guys how to earn $1,400 per day online, and this is an easy way to make some money online in 2020. Alright guys, so this is what I'm talking about, investing, okay? So, I bet a lot of you guys probably wasn't expecting this, but investing is a great way to earn money later on in the future just by investing money and holding it there. You know, just leaving it in there to make it, you know, keep getting interest on it, compound interest, and making a lot of money, guys. Now, if you're not investing, 2020 is the year for you to start investing, guys. If you agree with me, you know, leave a comment below and just type investing right now and hit the thumbs up button right now. Now, Acorns is a beginner friendly, app to, start investing, guys. So that's the name of this website, Acorns. This is beginner friendly. And as you can see right here, Acorns helps you grow your money, invest your spare change, and grow from there. So the good thing about this, guys, people like to think investing is scary, right? So a lot of people are like, oh dang, I don't understand it, right? But Acorns makes it super easy for you. It's not like the big brokerages out there like Fidelity and Vanguard. I do recommend that you research those two, because those are the big brokerages that can make you even more money per year in compound interest, even more so than the two websites that I'm going to be showing you in this video. But this is a great way to start your investing career, guys, and to start your portfolio, right? And it invests your spare change. So that's the good thing about this, and it automatically does this, guys, automatically. So your guide to financial wellness will help you invest, save, spend responsibly for $1, $2, or $3 per month, guys. Look at this. I know you guys have a dollar that you can spend per month or something like that. Come on, just just don't spend money on, fast food or something like that. Stop spending money on things that you really don't need, or things that you're spending, so much money on. Just save like $1 or $2. Come on, I know everyone can do that. And there's no fees or anything like that, just surprise upgrades. So as you can see right here, invest your spare change. So set aside the leftover change for everyday purchases by turning on automatic roundups. So it rounds up your change, guys. So, it rounds up how much you spend, and then it just invests that into the Acorns app and all that, and then save for later. So get ready for later in life using Acorns later, the easiest way to save for retirement. Now this is a great way, so grow your knowledge, learn how to get more from your money with the easy to understand articles and videos from financial experts. So guys, this is the perfect time to invest. There's so much information about investing online that you can look up completely free on YouTube, just like this video, and you can read free articles on this website, guys. So if you're not investing, this is your year to start investing. Security is the #1 factor with this, and as you can see right here, security that's strong as an oak. All your data is protected by bank level security, guys. That's the best levels of security out there. And as you can see right here, everything's completely everything's completely secure. Now spend smarter, so get only debit card that saves and invest for you when you spend, plus no ATM fees. So that's really cool right there. You can watch this video, but it's very simple and easy to understand, like I said, and it shows how much money that you can earn. And like I told you guys, it automatically invests everything for you, so you don't have to look for different mutual funds, index funds, or different things like that. You don't have to look for the different funds. They automatically invest it for you, and there's different levels to it, right? So let me tell you about the different levels. So there's like aggressive, and then moderate, aggressive, or something like that, and then it goes like less and up. So invests more of your money in stocks, and then it may do more in bonds or something like that. So it really diversifies your money. So it does it all for you. And you can make a big return on your investment, per year. You can make a lot of money, but you can make even more using Vanguard or Fidelity. Make sure you guys look up those two brokerages if you really want to get started with investing. But this is a great way to get started with your career, though. This is a great way if you're completely new to investing. I recommend it, definitely. Now, as you can see right here, so what is Acorns? So basically, I already explained it. You automatically invest. It automatically does that for you. It automatically, rounds up everything, and you can spend as much as you want, so you can add even more money in. But that's the cool thing about Acorns, right? So it diversifies your portfolio, automatically rebalancing everything. So this is really cool right here. But the only downside is that you really don't have so much control over your money. But technically you do, because it diversifies everything for you. But if you really want to see everything, like I said, make sure you look up Fidelity or Vanguard. I really want to get you guys started with investing so you guys can, make money, save that money, invest that money, and then in the future you'll be thanking me, you'll be thanking yourself too, and you'll be like, wow, I can't believe this. All I had to do was invest my spare change and it went straight to my Acorns account, and now look at me, I'm a millionaire. So that's the cool thing about, a website like this. It's definitely worth looking into. I 100% recommend it. Even if you're 40, 50, 60 years old, who cares? Start investing now, or just save money if you're really old. But still, guys, I still recommend this to anyone. Now, I do want to show you guys the Acorns app right here. So invest your spare change. So you can get this at the Google Play Store, the App Store, and then invest your spare change right here. So as you can see right here, $3, and then they round it up, and then they put that 40 cents into the account, so they invest it for you. Now, this has been featured on Forbes, Yahoo. This is a very popular app. You probably heard of it, but even if you haven't, this is still a really good app to use. Now, save for your future. Now, it shows you the potential that your money can make, guys. So you're automatically investing $40 a month plus roundups. So at the age of like 66, you can make, $115,000, right? But it didn't show when you got started, but you can make a lot more than that. Like $40 a month, that's easy. All you have to do is you can save up a little bit more, get a better job, and you can invest, like $100, $200 a month, But guys, it's okay if you have to start off small. I understand that, I had to do that before too. I completely understand that, trust me. But this is definitely doable, and you'll have a lot of money. You can, give this money to your grandkids or whatever, and you can really put your kids, ahead in life. So that's what it's all about, right? So extra money right here, grow your knowledge. So they even have, some articles about, Warren Buffett has, 1 million worth of advice for you. Technically 1 billion, right? But anyway, spend your money as you normally would. So as you can see right here, guys, 4.6 star rating, and a lot of people are giving this 5 stars, and it's clear to see why, because this is an amazing app. Now, I do want to tell you, it's really easy to do this, right? So it doesn't change anything that you normally do. You just spend your money as you normally would, and it rounds up your change, and then they just automatically invest that into your Acorns account. So that's the really cool thing. Investing has not been any easier than this, and if you're not taking advantage of this, or I don't know, I think everyone should be taking advantage of this and start investing, because that's what the rich are doing. They're investing, they're learning, they're learning more and more, and that's what we all need to do, guys, all of us. And that's what I want to see you guys see success. That's what this channel is all about. I want everyone to see success. Hit the thumbs up button right now if you haven't already. But anyway, here, I want to show you guys the next app right here. So here's the next app. Now, people say this one's better than Acorns. This one's called M1 Finance, and I believe you have more, room to work with on this platform. I've seen Acorns in action, and I've seen it before. But M1 Finance, this is another similar app, and as you can see right here, smart money management. Take control, and personalize your finances, invest, borrow, spend, so everything, it's a really well organized platform. I believe, yeah, this one's a really good app to be invested. So these are Acorns and M1 Finance are two of the best, investing apps that just automatically invest for you, right? So you work hard for your money, so let your money work hard for you. I completely agree with that. That's not, a lot of people are not taking advantage of that. They work super hard. We all work hard for our money, right? All of us. And we're just throwing it down the drain, right? We're just throwing it down the drain. We're wasting it on, fast food, different things like that. And you don't have to do that, guys. Just, make sure, also, guys, I want to tell you to make sure that you guys, really look out for yourself, right? If you're eating bad and eating unhealthy and you're buying things that you don't need, just try to work on yourself a little bit too, so you can actually save enough money to invest. So make sure before you do this and before you start investing, I recommend that you really work on yourself first, mentally, and just getting in the right mindset, because it's really huge, guys. A lot of people downplay that, but it's really huge to really start, working on your mindset, eating better, even working out if you want to, you don't have to, but just, walk around a little bit, just, I don't know, but just, that will help you just save money, right? So that's what it's all about. So as you can see right here, make the most out of your money. invest right there, create your portfolio on any stock or ETF for free. Invest your money with intelligent automation. So like I said, it automatically invests your money, and it shows the potential. It shows the, how much you're spending on stocks, your asset allocation, right? So it shows everything for you, and that's what it's all about. And you can also borrow money right here. So you have like a credit line. So you can do that if you want, but yeah. So it's really cool. All right, and then spin in the beta testing right there. Access your cash and spin with an M1 checking account and debit card. Move money between investments instantly. So you can download this at the App Store or Google Play Store, guys. Enjoy M1 Finance for free, and then you can upgrade. They always have to have an upsell. But anyway, let's look at this side real quick. It shows just more about how you can invest, borrow, and spin. Very simple. It's really well built. This website looks really nice. I really like the colors. But I do want to show you guys how this looks at the App Store. Very simple and easy stuff to understand. Smart money management, everything. Invests your money. So everything, it shows your portfolio. It shows how aggressive you are in your portfolio. So it shows everything, and just different stuff like that. And what it means by balance out, if a lot of you guys didn't know that, just balance out your portfolio and the way your stocks and bonds are. So that's the only thing. So when one is just doing really bad, it balances out the other one. So that's the really cool thing about these apps. Everything's automated, and they automatically invest your money. But like I said, guys, make sure that you guys do your research on Vanguard and Fidelity, because you can make more in compound interest per year than M1 Finance and Acorns. But if you're just getting started with investing, I do recommend these apps because it is beginner friendly, and it shows you everything that you need to know. All right, so it shows you everything, and that's the cool thing about it.